Welcome to this Toolbox Talk on plant and machinery. This Toolbox Talk identifies the apparatus used on job sites, the common hazards associated with the use of these apparatus, and safe work practices that need to be followed while working on the sites. Plant and machinery used on construction jobs often creates dangerous conditions. 75% of construction-related, struck by, and run over, fatalities involve heavy equipment. Every year, a significant number of people are killed by accidents involving vehicles in the workplace, and many more people are injured. Health and safety is vitally important in the deployment and operation of plant on site, relation to cranes, mobile plant, and vehicles. Now let's take a look at various apparatus that are being used on the job sites. Dump trucks, cranes, payloaders, bulldozers, excavators, skid steers, graders, aerial lifts, scissor lifts, forklifts, milling machines, pavers. While working, there are some hazards that are likely to occur due to the following reasons. The plant is poorly maintained. Pedestrians and bystanders are particularly vulnerable in zones where mobile plant and machinery is operated, as the operator's vision may be restricted, and plant, which is apparently idle, may move with little warning. The plant is operated in the vicinity of overhead or underground electrical equipment. There is uncontrolled entry to the site during and after work. People carrying out maintenance are also at risk from passing traffic, from equipment falling while raised, and from heavy components, such as buckets, not being properly supported. The base on which the plant operates is unstable, that is, subject to slippage, subsidence, or collapse. The load on the plant is unstable, or unknown, or exceeds the rated capacity of the plant. Any other work is carried out near the work area. Did you know that 38% of deaths on construction sites were due to accidents involving mobile plant? Accidents can be prevented by taking few precautions discussed here. Do not assume that the operator sees you. You could wind up injured, or worse. Never walk alongside moving equipment. Keep in the clear, in case it slides or turns, or the load shifts. Never cut across the path behind any equipment while at backing. Do not depend on hearing a horn or an alarm to warn you that moving equipment is near. No operator should back a piece of equipment into area without someone clearing the area and giving signals. Watch out for swinging equipment, such as cranes and excavators. When you are working near equipment, operating near vicinity of power lines, don't touch or come into contact with the equipment frame. Never clean, adjust, lubricate, repair, or work on a machine that is in operation. Stop the machine before working on. Don't walk under loads on cranes and hoists. Do not proceed until the expected safety standards have been met, that is, if you have not been properly trained. Do not have the proper safety equipment available for use, or you are not comfortable with what you are being asked to do. Injury accidents involving mobile plant and machinery on construction sites have a higher probability of resulting in a fatality than many other types of accidents. It is critical to follow safety rules and procedures when operating or working around machinery. With this, we end this toolbox talk on plant and machinery. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.